Let's try out these tops from BSTO, which got delivered today.
Hello, so I got here oopsie! I got here three tops from BSCO. This one is different, these are the same. I'm gonna try them on. I'm in my pajamas, so I'm gonna change my bottoms, I guess, para cutesy.
Bruh, sinaksak ko na yung mic ko para hindi naman puro kaluskos ng plastic ang naririnig. Okay, so this is the Oda top. Yeah, nagsuot lang ako ng skirt with it. Yan, it fits like a glove. This one is in a size extra small kasi gusto ko na fit siya. Ayoko yung may tumutupi-tupi. I think this is better if accessorized. Like, my chest feels so bare right now. But, yeah. Ayan siya. Like, square lang talaga. Tapos, very thin straps. And yung straps niya, super nakagilid sila. Which I really like. So, I changed my bottoms lang for this one. Wait, ayusin natin. So, this one is Rue in the color black. Ayan siya. Super body hugging. Parang ang liit ng bewang ko. Super simple lang. This one, you could like dress up or dress down depending on the occasion. Pwede siyang panglabas, pang grocery, pang errands, or if gusto mo lang ng press ko na pambahay, maybe. This one is really nice. Ayan. Pinapawisan ako. And of course, this is the last one. This is in Rue still, but in the shade magenta. This one, I feel like even though this is an extra small then same as the black one, this feels tighter. But the girlies are girling, so who am I to complain? Yeah, so nag jeans lang ako for a different look. Yan. And I really love this color on me. This one I feel like would suit both mapuputi and morenas. It's so nice. This one I really recommend and maybe I should get more colors pa. I really love these items from BSEO. And I look forward to getting their other designs as well.